What is up? It's your boy Brat Black Sheep. Today I'm playing Amber Alert on Roblox, and as you see in the background, look at him. See this guy right here? Well, now he's gone, but essentially this is a game about anomalies, and they gonna try to break in the house, and I gotta defend myself. But before we start, look at my avatar now. There we go. Where's my character at? Where's my character at? Oh, there we go. See a boy got the twist out on me. See my shirt, long live my mans, with the purple pants. Let's get straight into it. No questions asked. Oh, it's a lobby. Spoilers, Home Alone, Christmas house. Huh. I mean, you know we go hard. You know I am hard. All right. Is this Bloxburg?
We interrupt your regular programming with a developing story. Earlier today, an unknown warehouse caught fire, sending towering flames into the sky and threatening nearby homes.
Okay.
Firefighters responded quickly to contain the blaze, but the fire briefly sparked a wildfire in the surrounding area, prompting evacuation orders for residents in close proximity. Eyewitnesses near the warehouse have reported seeing strange,
Who's that?
unidentified creatures roaming the area before and during the fire, though no official confirmation.
Okay.
Police have stated that they are investigating the site and working to determine both the cause of the fire and the nature of these unusual sightings. Authorities are asking.
Did they spell unknown wrong?
Area as
Ooh. Nah. Alright, let's explore a little bit. Oh, nah. Keep it on. So these pictures are a little weird. Jump out of the window. Hide under the table. Wow. Yeah, whoever hung up these photos. Any snacks in here? Wow, not even any shelves. Can I hide in here? Oh, I can. I don't think I'm supposed to. Alright. Pretty big kitchen for a very small... Bro! What was that? Nah. It's already nighttime! Alright, we gotta hide. Let's go. Get under the bed. Nope. I'm like Foxy in this. Whoa. Oh. Cool down! Cool down! Why? Cool down! Ooh. Alright, close it now. Close it! I saw it jump out the window now. What is that? Oh, hold steady? Oh my god. Bro, please. What's with the cooldown, bro? What's with the cooldown? What's with the cooldown? What's with the cooldown? What's with the cooldown? This only night one. I'm not making it. I'm not making it to even see day. Alright, I got it. It's saying hold steady, but I don't even have to click. Whatever. Yep. I'm a professional gamer. I'm Geometry Dash Legend right here. It was a joke. It was a joke. I'm not answering that. Please. Cooldown. Please. The cooldown. Why is there a cooldown? Appreciate that. What is that? He not gonna come in here though. Pussy. What is that? What is that? What is that noise? It sounds like a piano dragging on the ground. How is that fair? I think I'm just gonna have to leave. Bro, I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave. I dare you to come in here. I dare you. What the hell? Wow, now I can jump out the window. Alright. Hey, it's the morning. Hey, I made it. Mama, I made it. To the morning. What is this? That's a hell nah. Value. Okay, what can I do with those? Mystery box? Yeah, I'm good. Yo, what's up with this house? I think the parents are the problem. Oh my goodness. You know, the parents is the problem. I can leave? Oh. Oh! Oh, skins. What's up, bro? Steal a shotgun? I have Robux. I could steal a shotgun. I have 75 tripwires. Security door. Full house lockdown. Oh, apple tree. Let's go. How about more? Oh. Never mind. I can sell the apples. I think we can just... We'll just buy the shotgun with Robux. Alright. Whoa. Alright.
Warning.
I got one shot.
Mobby test authorities have confirmed a dangerous inmate has escaped from Blackridge Asylum. If you are hearing this, he is in a mile radius of you. If you hear someone outside of your house, hide. He loves to play hide and seek. Hide like your life depends on it and call the police, if possible. If he breaks into your home, do not run. Do not scream. Do not move. Hide. And pray he doesn't hear you breathing. If he sees you, he will arrest you.
Don't tell me twice. Oh. Light work, come on. You know me. I don't know how I'm not going into cardiac arrest. Nah, don't come in here. Who is that? What is that? Oh my goodness, what is that? Hop out. I survived. Look at my apples already. I can hop out a window. Let's go. 225, my max bench press.
Yeah.
What's up, big dog? There we go, 450. I can't buy a stun gun. Ooh. Elmer's. Elmer's that fancy one too. The one's from like Dollar Tree, but I'll buy that. Candle, I don't need a candle. I think we were good off that. I could put it at like the front of my thing so like he gets stuck on it. Alright, we're good. We can go home. Oh, and it's already nighttime. Whoa. Oh. There you go. Oh, it's only on here. Wow. So I'm assuming Big Homie just searches the entire house. That's cool too. Why'd I just teleport? Okay. He should get stuck on the glue, right? My trip. We're just gonna sit here and wait. I mean, I got all day. Night 3. We're on a roll. Look at him. Yeah. I hear him walking. What was that? What is he doing? My fingers are caressing Alt 4 right now. Just letting you know. Just letting y'all know. What's that in his hand? If you enjoyed that video, you know what to do.
I'm thugging and shit on the street, I know I'm on 285. BCB Lee and me with a
We gon' switch 'em up just like a stadium. We in the movie stadium. Bitch, I'm motion,